going on, people? Y'all back with another video today. So today, I thought for take me a quick little nap because I was getting tired. I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap, but so I just walk around my trailer while I do my little. Before I took a nap, I realized my tire was going low, so I heard some air leak. What the heck? Couldn't find how to big nail in my tire, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do a quick little patch-up job. Alright, see that's the hole right there. Well, screwing her. Just came in the truck stop, got one of these little set right quick, air gauge, and pliers. Good thing about these tires, you can patch on the actual what's it called. You can never patch steers, and you can never patch sidewalls, but I'm gonna patch this real quick.
Alright, y'all, we sit here and wait while the surge is still kicking in. I realized at this point that the patch kit I use is really for cars and small vehicles. And like tractor trailers, you gotta use a special kind of patch kit. It's called the mushroom style patch. So basically, I use that and then a patch on top of it inside the actual rim. I mean, the actual tire, so you had to actually mount and balance it again. Alright, y'all, at this point, some random guy asking about his inflation system on his own truck, which I knew nothing about, so the conversation pretty funny.
Like this car came that one, it says tire deviation of the dash. Yeah. I'm not a mechanic, it's my truck. I understand it, but I'm asking you like what's that? I mean your tire pressure low. Oh, so I need to put air. Yeah. You need to put air in it. You got to put air in it. So which one does it mean, the tractor or the trailer? It shows gauge on it, it shows the front left front tire. I can show you if you can understand it. I gotta get the tire. I understand, I want you, yeah. Yeah, I have to come here and
this is what came out of there.
I had to put it already. For some reason, the video stopped recording.
At this point, I realized I done screwed it up. I had to do it all over again. I had to do this like 4 or 5 times, y'all.
No bubbles, we all good, y'all. Got it in there. I ain't feel like cutting off, but we good. Gotta fill back up. That's how you patch a tie. I lost some footage. Somebody type some words in the description of the video.
Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Don't hit that bell button, man. Share this video, man. Might out here grinding, man. Showing y'all a little knick-knack mechanic. Minor work. Also, I ended up purchasing this right here.
I had to get this, man, because for some reason, I didn't want to keep going to the fuel island, but we good now. I got my own app thing to basically hook the glad hand up to the right there to your tractor glad hand. Push the red button on your tractor in your cab, and this is your air gauge. You see that gas thing I got for man, fucking super singles. I hate these motherfucking tires, man. Yep, so that's what happened, you guys. Had to get a new tire, man. See the trailer, it's the same tire brand, but different tread, yep. Man, cost me a lot of money. So next time for my lesson, you guys, go to the nearest shop and patch it, but I know how to patch these now. I've seen how they do it, so I'm gonna get the tools and do that next time. Take the tire off the rim and then use the mushroom pack, but we good now, rolling again. And I'm going to a TA and got me a mission tire. Expensive repair.